Welcome! Today I'll show you how to connect XIAOMI AirDots with your Realme 6i. First of all, need open case for AirDots, and I got to turn off this AirDots, so need to turn on AirDots. So press and hold, and when indicator are blinking white, like this one, this is a pair mode in this AirPods, so need to open Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth and wait a minute available device and click Redmi AirDots 2. Now waiting a pairing, connection, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.